So what is the subject? What is it that I'm saying through these hands? These hands have to be entrepreneurial. They have to be entrepreneurs. They have to be skilled to do by hands. You need to know to use your hand in any way you can. Any trade you can, by being enterprising. That means we need to create an ecosystem of financial institutions, educational institutions, and government partnerships, or cooperatives amongst us. Cooperatives. Create cooperatives to work together and work, and knowing how do we get our resources. Create money out of human resource. What you have through hands, through hard work, through sweat, through agriculture, through small scale industry, through craft management. So wherever you go, point is, if you're not getting a job, you will not get it. Do you know, there was a recent advertisement by a private company. It had 11,000 jobs. It advertised 11,000 jobs. Do you know how many applications it received for those 11,000 secretariat jobs? 3.2 million. 3.2 million applications they received for only 11,000 jobs. Rest, apply, and remain unemployed. We have to start thinking, how will I create work for myself? How will I generate wealth by my hands and by my own intelligence? How? So being entrepreneurial is my second attention. First was the 3H idea I wanted to give you. Second is to be entrepreneurs. Third, what I would like to share with you is a concept of ABC. The concept of ABC means, A stands for attitude. Attitude means to be positive, to be open, to be transparent. The attitude of ABC. A means for to be an open person, a transparent person, a positive, never be negative. If you've had a failure or a setback, you're willing to bounce back. An attitude. When I was small, this was my attitude. I never gave up. If I did not win in my tennis tournament, I practiced back. If I didn't do my best in my class, I practiced it. Practicing it, habit of practicing, is a positive attitude. Giving up is a negative attitude. Constantly continue to be on the move. Second is B. B means belief in yourself. Every day, get up and pray. Pray for confidence, but believe in your prayer. Believe in your effort. Believe in your hard work, that when I've done it, why can't I get it? When I used to play tennis, and I was a tennis player, I was a national junior champion. I was a senior tennis champion, nationals, and I won the Asian Tennis Championship in 1972. I believed in myself. I believed that if I work hard, God will help me. It's a belief in the law of nature. That if I do the right thing, I will get the result. But the point is, result may come or not, I must believe in the benefits of doing the right thing. Believe that right thing is the only thing to do. So second is B for belief. C is back with a caring attitude. It's back to the third H, caring attitude. When I have, how can I caringly share? It's caring your work. So the attitude of ABC will help you. Remember, A stands for positive attitude. B stands for belief. C stands for caring attitude. Caring attitudes towards your society. towards your friends and relatives, towards your society, towards your nation, towards your sister and brotherhood, towards the downtrodden. And when you become, wherever you become, remain caring. It's caringly sharing. It's not giving for the sake of return. You go because you care. You believe in care. These are the thoughts which I thought I would share with you. Even if you remember these three which I told you, the education of three, the 3H, the head, the heart. Can you repeat it? Second was the entrepreneurship, creating jobs rather than being a job seeker, be a job giver. And the third was the ABC. A stood for positive attitude, B stood for personal belief, C stood for caring attitude. And the last but not the least thinking which I have with you to share with you is, sometimes we feel, oh, I can do it when I grow up. I'll be okay when I grow up, but I can make small mistakes when I'm small. That's not true. That's not true. There is no holiday in this. There's no holiday in this. Small things matter. Every small thing matters. The word, the deed, the attitude, the belief, the behavior, the honesty. You can't be a thief in small things and say, I'll be honest in big things. It will not happen. It will not happen. Have you understood what I've said? We start thinking, let me steal small things, I'll not steal big. And some people think, let me steal big things, I'll not steal small. Small I'll give, big I'll keep. And some say, small I'll steal, big I won't. Stealing is stealing. Sin is sin. Some say, well, I can smoke a bit, drink a bit, but I'll never get drunk. Or I'll not become a chain smoker. Both are wrong. Whether it's small or it's big. Because these are unhealthy habits. So whether you use it in small quantity, even every little thing matters. Because then it gives you the license to grow. You have to reject. It's like small violence. There's nothing called small violence. There's nothing called small selfishness. Every small experience of life or behavior matters. And that is why I've brought it in this youth convention, because we all begin small. We begin by small giving. It's small giving which becomes big giving. Like for instance, when I was small, I used to go and serve in the hospitals as a child. I used to go and serve and clean the hospital. Or I would go to the Red Cross and go and help the Red Cross in blood donation camps. I used to volunteer my time to go. That small thing became so big in my life. It became a habit of caring, giving. It became from small work of Red Cross or cleaning the hospital, it became so big that my 2 NGOs were born out of that spirit of giving. If I had not started small, I would not have grown this big in that work. Similarly, you see the thirst of our saint with whose name we all cherish. They all begin with a small thirst. Thirst in searching for God. Thirst in searching for truth. It's a small search which becomes bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Similarly, a small sin, when tolerated, can become a bigger and bigger, which will start controlling you. Just as big, a good big thing gives you a direction, a small wrong thing makes you fall. and hurts all your growth. So, my friends, if you remember these few things,